Since 1982, K+S Services has provided quality repair service for a broad range of automation components. K+S has 10 repair facilities in the US, Canada, and Mexico to support our customers. Whether they have a single manufacturing location or locations worldwide, K+S is there to support all their repair needs. K+S supports over 886 different manufacturers, including Fanuc, Allen-Bradley, Siemens, ABB, Lincoln, Miller, Fronius, Stokes, and Atlas Copco, consisting of more than 122,000 unique part numbers. K+S Services is the most experienced, comprehensive, and trusted repair company in the industry. We understand that time lost is money lost. Our highly trained technicians and thorough repair procedures ensure a quality repair every time. All components are fully tested in a closed-loop system under load to simulate how the unit will operate in your manufacturing application. All repairs are covered with a K+S comprehensive 12-month in-service warranty, which begins when the unit is placed into service. Our electronic repair capabilities range from surface mounting technology, AC/DC drives, variable frequency and servo drives, motors, robotics, CNC controls, welders, weld controls and weld gun tips, industrial monitors and HMIs, PLCs, and peripheral devices. Hydraulic capabilities include pumps, motors, servo and proportional valves, cylinders, and actuators. Mechanical capabilities include vacuum pumps and blowers, gearboxes, machine turntables, and DC torque tools. Precision machining capabilities include ball screws, machine tool spindles, and parabolic rolls. All of our operations are ISO 9001:2015 certified and adhere to a strict set of standards designed to receive, repair, test, and return your items with maximum reliability and performance. Each repair is returned with a detailed repair and test report, including failure analysis, probable cause of failure, and corrective actions that should be considered by your maintenance team to improve machine performance. Our online system allows the customer to view in real time their repair orders throughout all phases of the process. The customer has the ability to approve orders and upgrade the repair priority to keep pace with their ever-changing environment. In addition to our vast repair capabilities, K+S maintains an extensive inventory of remanufactured spares ready for immediate exchange or sale. All of our remanufactured parts include our comprehensive K+S warranty. To find out more on how K+S can support your needs, go to k-and-s.com or call us at 1-800-542-1331.